Floating 400 kilometers above Earth, traveling at 28,000 kilometers per hour, the International Space Station, or ISS, is the largest and most expensive structure ever built in space. But how was it made? Which countries built it? And what does the future hold for the ISS? Let's find out. The idea of a space station is not new. Since the Cold War, both the USA and the Soviet Union dreamed of building a permanent human base in space. The Soviets launched the first space station, Salyut-1, in 1971, followed by the famous Mir station. Meanwhile, NASA envisioned Space Station Freedom, but it never got built due to budget issues. The ISS is a joint project between 5 major space agencies: NASA from the United States, Roscosmos from Russia, JAXA from Japan, ESA, the European Space Agency, and CSA, the Canadian Space Agency. Each of these space agencies contributed key parts to the ISS, making it a true symbol of international cooperation. The ISS wasn't built all at once. It was assembled piece by piece over several years. Let's break it down. November 20th, 1998. Russia launched Zarya, the first module. December 4th, 1998. NASA's Unity module was added, 2000. The first crew arrived, making the ISS permanently habitable. 2001 to 2011, more modules, labs, and solar panels were added. 2011. The ISS was finally completed after over a decade of construction. The ISS orbits Earth at 28,000 kilometers per hour, completing one orbit every 90 minutes. But how does it stay in space? The ISS is in a constant state of free fall, meaning it's always falling around Earth without hitting the ground. Russian spacecraft regularly boost the ISS to keep it from falling into Earth's atmosphere. The ISS is more than just a space home. It's a world-class science lab. Astronauts conduct experiments on microgravity and human health, planetary exploration, growing food in space, and studying bacteria and viruses in space. It's also where we test technology for future Mars missions. The ISS is aging. NASA and its partners plan to retire it by 2030. What's next? China's Tiangong space station is already in orbit. NASA is working on a new commercial space station. The Lunar Gateway will be a space station orbiting the Moon. The ISS may not last forever, but its legacy will shape the future of space exploration. The International Space Station is one of humanity's greatest achievements, a symbol of what we can accomplish when we work together. It has helped us explore the unknown, push our limits, and prepare for the next giant leap, Mars. What do you think about the ISS? Should we build a new one or focus on Mars? Let us know in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe for more amazing space videos.